welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. I'm back with another wig review, and today we are working with Elfin. So this is what their packaging is looking like. Very cutesy, very girly. Guys, I worked with them before and I just love their packaging. It's so cute. But let's get right into the unboxing. So inside the box, it comes with this duster bag to store the wig in. And then inside is the star of the show. Oh, and the goodies. So of course we got wig cap, we got the little pamphlets just to tell you how to care for the wig and all their socials. But I'm going to put that in my description box, so click the link down below and check them out. Edge band, a satin bonnet, and an edge brush. That's all the goodies. So now let's get into the star of the show. Ooh, this is her. It is their 24 inches glueless invisible half wig 3-in-1 jerry curls. Straight out the packaging, she looks like this, very full, very shiny, very soft. And I think the wig cap size is large. I always take a large wig cap size because my head is on the bigger side. But guys, this is so full. Look at it. Anyways, let us get into the construction of the unit. So it comes with 3 combs. This big one in the front, the middle of the front, and these 2 smaller ones, one on each side. The cap is very breathable, love that. It comes with this elastic drawstring at the back just to help the wig to feel more secured on your head. Also these elastic straps. It's not adjustable, but all you need to do is just to hook it. What I love most about this unit is the fact that it comes flipped over already. So it has a layer of air that is already flipped over. Love that. This will help the install to look very seamless. So let us get into the installation. What I want to do today is a flip over method, but I don't want to do too much leave out, just a little bit. Alright guys, so now that we have the tiniest amount of leave out, I'm just going to get that out the way. And then we can braid down the back to put the wig on. Now that's done, I'm going to put on one of the wig cap descent, and this is optional. You don't have to use the wig cap, but I prefer to use it. Like this. And then to the star of the show. That was so easy. This wig ain't going anywhere. It's so snugged. Guys, I love this wig. Yep. Look at the length. Ooh, she's so full and bouncy. Alright, so let us see what we're gonna do with the leave out. Oh my goodness, I love it. So I can put everything in one. Let me get a scrunchie because I might be onto something. Let me define the curves a little bit, but not too much. Put anything on the end of my leave out as yet because I think I love this fluffy look. I can put a little bit, so I'm going to put a little bit, just a little mousse, just a little bit because I don't want it to look flat. So I'm going to try and put it in one just to see what that would look like. So this is another style that you can pull off with the half wig. Then I'm going to, I don't want to pull this one out, because it's really pretty. Beautiful people, so I was just playing around with the wig to see how versatile it is, and as you guys can see, it's very versatile. I know a lot other hairstyles I can pull off with this half wig, so if you want to see that, comment in the comment section and I'll do a part 2 styling my half wig. But it's very pretty, very soft, very full, very bouncy, and I didn't even spray any water in it. I just add some, you guys saw what I did. I just added a little bit of mousse to the top, and this is it. This is the hair straight from the package. This is what it's looking like from the back. The drawstring method makes it look very seamless. Love that. And this is it. And it looks like I'm leaving from the salon. This looks like a sewing. So you guys comment in the comment section and let me know, do you like it? Because I love it. And what was your favorite style that I did? Thank you so much Elephant Hair for sponsoring today's video. I love this unit. It is very soft, very full. Like everything about this unit is perfect and it was so easy to work with. So all the information will be in my description box. So click the link down below and check them out. Also, Elephant Hair was very generous enough to give us a discount. So use my code, gonna put it right here on the screen. Use my code to shop this beautiful unit to get $15 off. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye.